Hello students, welcome to Edura. I am Swati Muna, your chemistry mentor, and we are here to discuss few past year questions for the chapter Redox Reactions. Given are few reduction potentials. Starting with the first one, which is cobalt plus 3 taking an electron going to cobalt plus 2. The reduction potential here is plus 1.81 volts. The second one, Pb plus 4, that is lead having a charge of plus 4, taking 2 electrons and going to Pb plus 2. The reduction potential here is plus 1.67 volts. The third one being cerium plus 4, taking 1 electron and becoming cerium plus 3. The reduction potential here is 1.61 volts. Bismuth plus 3 taking 3 electrons and becoming bismuth with the oxidation number 0. The reduction potential here is plus 0.20 volts. And the question here is, students, oxidizing power of the species will increase in the order option A, cerium plus 4 less than lead plus 4 less than bismuth plus 3 less than cobalt plus 3. Option B, bismuth plus 3 less than cerium plus 4 less than lead plus 4 less than cobalt plus 3. Option C, cobalt plus 3 less than cerium plus 4 less than bismuth plus 3 and less than lead plus 4. And option D, cobalt plus 3 less than lead plus 4 less than cerium plus 4 and less than bismuth plus 3. Now students, keep in mind, higher the values of reduction potential, higher will be the oxidizing power. So, the correct order here will be bismuth plus 3 less than cerium plus 4 less than lead plus 4 and less than cobalt plus 3. So, the correct option here is option B. Now, moving on to the next question. Given are again few values of reduction potentials. So, the first value, that is E0, going from O2 to H2O, has a value of plus 1.23 volts. The second one, E0 for S2O8 2 minus, that is persulfate ion, going to sulfate, that is SO4 2 minus, the value is 2.05 volts. The third one, E0 for Br2, that is bromine, going to Br minus, the value is plus 1.09 volts. And the last one, E0 for Au plus 3, that is gold, in plus 3 going to Au in 0. The value is plus 1.4 volts. We need to find the strongest oxidizing agent. Option A, Au plus 3, that is gold in plus 3. Option B, O2. Option C, S2O8 2 minus, that is persulfate. And option D, bromine, that is Br2. Students, here just keep in mind that more positive is the reduction potential, stronger is the oxidizing agent. As in, more the positive or higher the value of reduction potential, the stronger is the oxidizing agent. And here the reduction potential is maximum for S2O8 2 minus, that is persulfate. So, the strongest oxidizing agent here is option C, that is S2O8 2 minus, persulfate. And now the next question. Students, this question was asked in mains 2019. The question reads as, consider the following reduction processes. The first one, Zn in plus 2 taking 2 electrons and becoming Zn 0. The E naught value for this reaction is minus 0.76 volts. The second one, calcium in plus 2, taking 2 electrons and becoming Ca. The E naught value here is minus 2.87 volts. The third one, magnesium in plus 2, taking 2 electrons and becoming Mg, oxidation number 0. E naught value here is minus 2.36 volts. And the last one, nickel in plus 2, taking 2 electrons, becoming nickel in 0. E naught value minus 0.25 volts. Students, here the question is, the reducing power of the metals increases in the order. Option A, calcium less than zinc, less than magnesium, less than nickel. Option B, nickel less than zinc, less than magnesium, less than calcium. Option C, zinc less than magnesium, less than nickel and less than calcium. Option D, calcium less than magnesium, less than zinc and less than nickel. Students, keep in mind, higher the oxidation potential, higher will be the reducing power. As in, more the value of the oxidation potential, more will be the reducing power. So here the correct order will be calcium greater than magnesium, greater than zinc and greater than nickel. So here the correct option is option B. And the next question, in the reaction of oxalate with permanganate in acidic medium, the number of electrons involved in producing one molecule of CO2 is option A 1, option B 10, option C 2 and option D is 5. Students, this question was asked in mains 2019. Now, in order to find our answer, let's work out the equation. Oxalate, that is C2O4 2 minus. C2O4 2 minus have carbon in the oxidation number plus 3. And on reacting with potassium permanganate or the permanganate ion in acidic medium, carbon undergoes oxidation. Carbon goes from plus 3 to plus 4. Since oxalate has 2 carbon atoms, there is a loss of 2 electrons and we get 2 moles of CO2. But students, the question here is for 1 molecule of CO2. So, for 1 molecule of CO2, the number of electrons evolved is 1. So, here the correct option is option A. Moving on to the next question. Students, this question was asked in mains 2014. The question reads as, copper becomes green when exposed to moist air for a long period. This is due to option A, formation of a layer of cupric oxide on the surface of copper. Option B, formation of a layer of basic carbonate of copper on the surface of copper. Option C, formation of a layer of cupric hydroxide on the surface of copper. And option D, formation of a layer of basic copper sulfate on the surface of metal. Now students, when copper is exposed to moist air having CO2, it gets superficially coated with a green layer, and that green layer, students, is a basic carbonate, as in the formula is CuO4 OH twice dot CuCO3. That is basic copper carbonate. So here our correct option is option B. So students, these were the past year questions for the chapter Redox Reactions. Hope you have enjoyed today's session. This is me, Swati Muna, signing off. Keep learning, keep practicing, and thanks for watching Edura.